Hello. Today I'm just going to show you how to fix problems when DISM slash cleanup image slash RestoreHealth and SFC slash Scannow aren't working in Windows 10 or 11. These tools are used to repair corrupted system files, but they can sometimes fail due to missing source files, Windows update issues, or deeper system corruption. If you're seeing errors or no improvements after running them, don't worry, there are alternative steps you can try. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. If the SFC scan failed earlier, it may be because it wasn't run as admin. In the Command Prompt window, type CHKDSK R. Press Enter. The system will notify that the disk is in use. Type Y to schedule the check on the next restart, then press Enter. Close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Down to Set, press any key when prompted to skip disk checking. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Hope this helps you fix the issue. See you in the next tutorial.